Thanks for tuning into Bozo Bank of the Week. I'm Old St. Nick, and this is our last show of 2009. Well, since we're in the holiday time of year, we have Who's Been Naughty and Who's Been Nice. Well, let's talk about who's been nice. Well, we have moratoriums on foreclosures right now. Citi was the first, and they postponed all foreclosures, and for anyone that had been foreclosed on, they will not evict them for the next 30 days, and that is great. After that, Freddie and Fannie back loans also did the same thing that Citi. And at the end, our Bozo Bank of the Year, Bank of America, followed suit after government and media pressure. Also, loan modifications are getting approved 69% more than they were last year. So that's great news as well. Well, who's been naughty? After government pressure to approve short sales, HUD went and decided that they were going to change FHA guidelines. Before, if you did a short sale, in 24 months you could get an FHA-backed loan. Not anymore. HUD decided to give you a piece of coal, and now it takes 36 months before you can buy a new home. And I think that's probably because there's been a lot of strategic foreclosure, meaning someone that could pay for a house decided that they were $200,000 upside down and decided they were just going to let it go. So I think that's one of the reasons. Going back to loan mods, we'll just say, shame on you lenders. They are giving loan mods, but they're not adjusting them appropriately to the person to be able to pay for them. So they're either giving them the same payment or actually giving them a higher payment. And so 40% of all loan mods that are getting approved, or 69% get approved, 40% of those are actually going back into default in 60 days. So shame on you, lenders, for not changing the rate to a lower rate so people can actually afford it. Also, lenders aren't going after small business. They're not lending to them. And what that does to us, America, we all know that small business is what we're about. And that's how we get innovative and we make strides to get this recession going forward. So let's recap 2009. At West One Properties, we had a great year. We helped over 130 homeowners get out of these houses that they were upside down or they just didn't have any jobs. So we're really proud of that. And let's look into 2010. I think one good thing that's going to come out of this recession is one thing. We get back to our values. Family, friends, health. Those are important things. Not money, not mansions. So if we can take that core values and bring them into 2010 with incredible opportunities like, what do we have? We've had the extension of the first-time home buyers credit. That's going to keep this market strong for the homes under $250,000. And for the person that has that home that sells it, we have a $6,500 tax credit when you go buy your second home. So I think 2010 is going to be an incredible year. I want to thank everyone, our clients, our other realtors out there that we work with. Thank you very much. Have a great 2010. Merry Christmas, and let's make 2010 a great year. Keep up the fight.